Welcome back to 4K Tech.
Okay, this is a review on how to make a secret hiding spot for your valuables, your cash, maybe jewelry, and most of the time people keep it in their sock drawers, so that is the first place that a robber is going to come into and look first. So what I did was I went to Home Depot, got myself a gang box here, some Velcro, I got an outlet, a wall plate, okay, and this is very simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install this into the wall, okay, and then we're just going to make sort of like a cover with the Velcro. You can see how I made it. I just put two pieces here, okay, and just two pieces that I cut just on the sides here, and obviously you could tell when you put it on, it just sticks like that. When you take off, you get your valuables out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it on the wall here, make sure there's no studs in the way. And you just trace around the box here. Okay. Once you do that, okay, put that in there like that. That's in like that, and then well, you could screw it down, but it's in there so tight. But you could tell, you could just take my money like that, shove it in there like that, put my box, well, you want to put it in like this, put my box in like that, there you go. Okay, it's very simple to take back off. You just grab it like that, and there's your money back there, back on.